Hi, today I'm fixing Xiaomi Redmi PAD and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So just to do that, we should first hold for a while your device screen with your finger and then tap here to the settings icon. Then tap to transition effects, and after that we can select and see one from this available transition. For example, I'll go with the rotate one. Tap to done to save the changes, click to OK to done, and we can see that we just successfully changed home screen animation on our Xiaomi Redmi PAD. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.